So sometimes you may want to block a program from accessing the internet. Maybe you don't want the program to access the internet for whatever reasons you may have. Now we can use third-party softwares, third-party firewalls, or we can use in the built-in Microsoft Defender firewall. Now, if you open the start menu and then type firewall, you'll see that we already have a firewall installed. Let's go to Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Now we are going to go to advanced settings, and this is where we can block a program, any program that we want. Now we have inbound rules and outbound rules. Inbound rules are for those connections from outside the internet. Outbound rules, these affect the connections from your computer to the internet. Now this is where we need to block it. Now if you come to here, we can create a new rule. If you create a new rule, it will ask you to what type of rule you want to create. For example, do you want to block a program, or do you want to block a port if it's a TCP or UDP port, or you have a predefined rule already, or you want to create a custom rule. So most of the time, if you want to block a program, we're going to go with the program rule. Hit next, and now we are going to find the path where that program is located. You can click on browse. This will open a dialog box. Now let's say, for example, we want to block Brave, but before I do that, let me show you. Let me open Chrome, and we are going to try to access any site. For example, let's do youtube.com. I just want to prove to you that we can access the internet. We can access the internet. So as you can see, it's loading. So this means we have internet connections. If I go to google.com, you see that we are able to access google.com also. After we create the firewall rule, Google should be able to access the internet. We should have a warning about firewall. Now I'll hit on Chrome. We're going to block this application. Open. Hit next. Now we are going to block the connection. Next, we are going to block all domain, private and public. Hit next, and then we are going to give it a name. Let's say Chrome, and then finish. Now look at that. Now we have a new rule here, Chrome. Now let's open Google Chrome and let's see if it can still access the internet. Open Google Chrome. Let's open Google Chrome. Let's navigate to google.com. Let's see if you are still able to access the internet. So after you set up that rule, you can see that this site can't be reached. Let's try another one just to prove. youtube.com. Let's see if you are able to access youtube.com. As you can see, it says that this site can't be reached. So sometimes it may give you a warning that firewall is blocking this application from accessing the internet, or it might just show you this message that the site can't be reached. So guys, this is how you block any program from accessing the internet. So most of the time, if I download a program, I see that it looks suspicious or I may not trust it. The first thing that I will do, if the program doesn't require internet access to function, most probably I will go to the Windows Defender firewall and block it from accessing the internet. Guys, this is how you block any application. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment if you have any questions, and most of all, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.